What if I told you, your French press might be hiding bitter sludge at the bottom of your cup? We tested 18 top models, brewing everything from light roasts to dark blends, and the results will shock coffee purists. One highly rated press let through excessive sediment, while our number 3 delivered crystal clear, full-bodied coffee every time. If you want rich, oily, and sediment-free coffee, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Mueller French Press Coffee Maker. The Mueller French Press Coffee Maker is a professional-grade 304 and 18/10 double-layered stainless steel appliance that is designed to keep your coffee hot for 60 minutes longer than thinner steel and glass models. It features a triple-layered filter structure to stop the sediment, but let the yummy coffee oils through for a full-bodied delicious brew. It also comes with a bonus matching travel canister that holds enough beans or grounds for 2 full batches. Perfect for any occasion, this French press is a great choice for coffee and tea lovers. Number 2. Café du Chateau French Press Coffee Maker. The Café du Chateau French Press Coffee Maker is a great choice for coffee lovers who want to enjoy a cup of coffee or tea without the mess. It features a 4-level filtration system with 2 stainless steel screens, a spring-loaded base, and a lid strainer to keep grounds out. The carafe housing, filter, handle, and top lid are made with 304 grade stainless steel, making it rust and corrosion resistant. The heat-resistant borosilicate glass carafe can withstand boiling water without warping or cracking. Plus, it comes with a lifetime replacement policy. Number 3. Bodum Chambord French Press Coffee Maker. The Bodum Chambord French Press Coffee Maker is a premium coffee maker that brews a cup of coffee in just 4 minutes. It features a 3-part stainless steel plunger with a mesh filter that helps extract the coffee's aromatic oils and subtle flavors. The coffee press also has a patented safety lid to keep contents from spilling and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. It makes 8 cups of coffee, 4 ounces each, and is a great choice for coffee enthusiasts. Number 4. Stay Hot French Press Hammertone Green Maker. The Stanley Stay Hot French Press Hammertone Green 48 ounces /1.4 L is a tough and durable French press designed with double vacuum insulation that can keep your coffee hot for up to 4 hours and cold drinks cold for up to 9 hours. Its 2 layers of naturally BPA-free 18/8 stainless steel walls provide superior insulation, while the mesh plunger is fine enough to keep grounds out of your cup. The French press is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Simply add your favorite coffee grounds and boiling water, let it brew for 5 minutes, and press the steel plunger for a great cup of coffee to start your day. Number 5. Utopia Kitchen Stainless Steel French Press Coffee Maker. The Utopia Kitchen Stainless Steel French Press Coffee Maker is a double-walled, 304 grade stainless steel coffee press that makes perfectly brewed coffee at home. Its 4-layered filtration system traps the smallest coffee grounds to produce a wholesome cup of coffee, giving you an enriching experience. This user-friendly coffee press can be used anywhere, and its easy assembly and disassembly make for easy care. It is also an ideal gift for your loved ones. So, which French press will you use to brew your perfect cup? Let's argue in the comments. If this eye-opening review upgraded your morning ritual, press that like button. It helps us brew more tests. Want more coffee tech truths? Subscribe. Next week we're testing pour-over systems. All our top picks are linked below. Brew on!